Hi there, thanks for joining me today. This is Diana, the Paper Pineapple, and I am documenting another week in my 2024 Project Life album. This is week 7, and I've been needing to do this for a while now, but after being sick for a whole week and being gone the weekend before, it's just been really hard to sit down and do this, but I'm ready to do that today. My voice is finally coming back to normal, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and walk you through my week. So this week starts off with Super Bowl Sunday. We went to go visit some friends out of town, and we had a barbecue, and we were all rooting for the Niners. And yes, I know we didn't win, but at least our team made it to the Super Bowl. So that's all I could say about that. Anyway, we had a great time, took lots of pictures, ate a lot, laughed a lot. It was pretty fun. So that was these cards here that I use. It was from a little Becky Higgins mini kit. It was like, I think it was like some kind of sports kit. And so I decided just to use this card that says game day and this final score. And then there was a little blue card that had like little plays on there with X's and O's. And decided that I would use that for Super Bowl Sunday. The rest of the cards that I used for the rest of the week is from Elle Studios February's kit, and some little stickers and little die cuts from January's kit. So here you have me put some stickers here. These are all the stickers that I have left. And so I'm trying to use up what I can here. The next 3x4 picture on the middle row, excuse me, it's a picture of my daughter. She was sick that Monday we had off, so we had no work and no school. And so I made the kids French toast, and so I took my daughter her breakfast in bed. Poor thing, she was pretty sick, and opted to just lay low for the rest of the day. The next 3x4 picture over is a picture of my son, my youngest son. He's the only one now that has Valentine's Day cards, and he picked out a card set with Minecraft on it. So he was doing all his little cards and had a little assembly line going there. I treasure these little moments because, you know, he's my last one. Now my other two don't do Valentine's Day cards. The following picture underneath the 4x6 picture there is just a picture. I just took a quick picture of our table. I made tri-tip sandwiches with chips and just did a whole overlay of bunch of like brownies and cookies, and I made chocolate covered strawberries, and I gave each one of my children a card and a balloon and a little candy there, and just something sweet, you know, just to show them that I love them. I usually do something small, but I always try to show my kids how much I love them. So I thought that that'd be a nice little thing, a nice little touch to add to the album. And so yeah, that's what I used there. The one with the little 3x4 card with the little hearts, that is actually from the printables from February, month of February. It's an additional set of cards, and what I did is I just ended up putting sweetheart, a little sticker that said sweetheart, and then I had a bunch of heart die cuts because I had made my Valentine cards for my card club for Pretty Pineapples, and so I had a bunch of hearts left over, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and add that here. And here I have my little hearts tin with all my little die cuts and little thingies here. So I decided that I would add these two hearts and join them together, and then I add these two 3x4 cards together with some washi tape. That's usually my go-to. It's usually pretty quick here. And then at the bottom there, next to my 4x6, I wanted a shaker pocket, but I noticed that I already had a picture in front of it, and so the next best thing to do is vellum. So I had some leftover vellum, and what I did is just cut that 3x8s, I believe, and I scored that at the 4-inch line, and then I got this little, I did order from the February Elle Studio, the die cuts that came with the kit, or the add-ons. I bundled that with my monthly kit, and it came with this little pink heart, and I love it because it's like cut off like on the side so that you can use it on the on the side of your picture or whatever. And so what I did is I ended up just using that heart, adhering that, and then I ended up adding some sequins to it and made a little shaker pocket out of it. I was kind of lazy. I didn't want to bring out my sewing machine, so I ended up just using my ATG gun and just glued all the way around so that the sequins wouldn't fall out. And I added some sequins that my dear friend Gloria, who's Gloria Scraps 2 here on YouTube. Hi Gloria. Thank you for all of your goodies. I added some of the shaker bits that she sent to me in my Galentine's package that she sent me, and I just add a little bit of those little things and then just adhered it together, and it made a cute little shaker pocket. I was really happy with that. And then I also ordered those puffy heart stickers, and I added those to embellish here and there on my layout here. And then I still had some of these puffy heart labels. And so all on the right hand side is documenting that weekend we had, my daughter and I left to Anaheim. We left Thursday. We were gone pretty much that whole weekend, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And they competed in their USA National Championships. And so yeah, that was fun. And my daughter and I got to go on this little road trip. So yeah, it was lots of fun. I had tons of pictures. I decided that I would just add all these pictures together, and that I would do a separate 6x8 of all my journaling. And I don't actually show you here because I ran out of light. I usually like to record with natural light because I feel like the lights above is so harsh and it's just so much glare with the plastic of the protector sheet. And so I didn't get to finish showing you exactly how I added the rest of my layout, but I do end up using an extra 6x8 6x8 protector sheet because I added a 6x8 digital layout that I've been following along with Shannon's pages. I'll go ahead and leave her information in the description so that you can follow her. And she has some really great prompts, and I like that, it just kind of gets me out of my, using papers and stuff. And sometimes while I'm at work and I have some downtime, I'll just play around while I'm on my break and just, do a couple of digital layouts. And I like to print those out and add them in my project life. So, kind of keeps me on my toes there, So anyway, I went ahead and added the Valentine's Day prompt, which is like a love layout, a Valentine love layout. And I did end up including a picture of the chocolate strawberries that I did for my family and friends. I did end up making some boxes and gifted those to friends and family. And that was really fun to do. I really enjoyed it. This was my second time doing it. My first time was a fail, because you learn as you go. And so, yeah, I think I got a little bit more practice out of this time, and they came out really pretty. I even bought these cute little boxes, and I add these little cupcake liners to add the strawberries in, and they look really, really professional, guys. I think I outdid myself. Pat on the back for that one. They were really impressed with that. Anyway, I went ahead and just added this sticker here that says love us on that little shaker pocket there, and it's super cute. You can still see it, and you still have the little sequins there moving around in your pocket there. So that's another tip that you can add a shaker pocket to your project life. If you don't have an extra clear pocket that you can utilize, you can definitely use vellum. So that's a little tip for you. So then I just add that in the pocket here. And then I believe that there's a 4x6 picture there that's horizontal, but I didn't have a horizontal place to put that picture, so I just ended up adding a tab, and I just ended up sticking in there, and then I ended up printing out a 4x6 picture of my Thursday 3, so it's like a selfie portrait of myself. and I went ahead and added that journaling behind that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's been pretty easy. A lot of photos. Oh, I do end up using these labels here. I ended up ordering these through Amazon. They're these Avery labels, and I end up having a lot of flips through my project life, and I find out that it's a lot easier to use. I do use a lot of punches too that I like to just, you know, staple in, but I feel like this kind of gives it like a more of a cleaner look. So they do come with these little white little labels that you can write on and slip through the little what is it called, the little pocket there. And so I like using these clear stickers. I believe I put, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, because there's a picture of the guys all drinking, and then on the other side I believe I put fierce, because it has a picture of us women in the front. So I thought that'd be very suitable for that side of the of the pocket there. So then I just go around looking to see what other little embellishments I can add to my layout. And so far I think I've just used a couple of those puffer stickers. Not puffer, yeah, heart puffy stickers in those different colors. I do believe I get a white heart to add next to my daughter. She took a couple pictures of her with her friends with their jerseys, and I love the picture on the 3x4 on the bottom there, where it has them pointing out their last names with their jerseys. I thought that was really cute. And they all have 24, because, you know, this year is 2024. So yeah, I think I just add a little here and there. And again, I think I do add this picture, this 4x6 picture in that top pocket there. And here is where I add the 6x8 digital layout that I did. And I thought I was going to add this here, but then I remembered that I needed to add my journaling. So I do end up adding 4x6 picture of my selfie for my Thursday 3, and I went ahead and jotted down all my journaling on that 6x8 behind that Valentine's Day digital layout. So anyway, here's what it looks like. Again, you won't be able to see the final touches until the still shots that I will be showing at the very end of the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, give it a like, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to download my free 3x4 weekly cards. And I hope to see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys!